Okay guys, so this is for our remote assignment 2.8 and 2.9 for Friday for principles, and we're just going to go through and try to answer each of these questions as a group. So the first thing we're doing, we're told that IK, this guy in the middle, bisects, which means cuts in half, HIJ. That means that both of these should be the same size. Well, if I want to find KIJ, I know that that has to match the other half, so it must be 30 degrees. So we can use information like cut in half to help us figure out which one's which. Down here, QS is bisecting PQR, which means these two guys are going to be the same size. Okay, so that puts us with these two guys being the same size. Now when I want to find PQR, all right, PQ to R, well that's not one of them, that's actually both of them. So I'm going to combine those two together. So the 22 plus the 22 becomes 44 degrees. As we come down here, EG, again bisects, so these two guys are the same, which means I've got a 56 here, right? That's what it means. So if I want to find DEF, D to E to F, that's both of them. So I can add the 56 or times it by 2 and get 112 degrees. Keep the idea going. LN is our bisector, so these guys have to match. And they're telling us that KLM, which is the big angle, is 110. If I want to find the measure of one of these smaller ones like KLN, instead of timesing by 2, I need to divide by 2. So 110 divided by 2 is going to be 55 degrees. Let's keep rolling. Number 5, ST bisects RSU, and RSU, the whole angle, is 84. So if I cut that in half, so that I get these two matching pieces, I'm going to have to divide that by 2 and get 42 degrees. This last one here in 2.8. Similar idea, ABD, big angle ABD, is 106 degrees, but I want just 1/2 of it, because I want CBD, which is over here. That divided by 2 would give me 53 degrees. And so using bisectors to cut stuff in half or to double to find the whole angle is a useful process. Let's keep going, and we're going to talk about how to use what's called a common angle, which is the angle between two matching angles. And we'll just answer these few questions and be done. Remember to get your worksheet done as well, but if this is 45 and that's 20, well, the congruent mark tells me that this is also 45 degrees. So if I want O to L to M on this problem, I have both a 20 and a 45 for a total of 65 degrees. Over here, same idea, O to L to M is the 20 that's here, and because of the congruent mark, I know this is 35 for a total of 55 degrees. The last couple, they want me to find DBC. Oh, ABD, sorry. ABD. All right, well, we know that, there we go, that's what I need. DBC, this angle here, sneeze. All right, so sorry, the big angle here on the right is 75, and since this little guy in the middle is 20, that means that this guy here must be 55 because I've got to add up to 75. Well, if that's 55, then its congruent partner over here must also be 55 degrees. Last one, DBC, so again D to B to C, this is 75 degrees, but since 35 of it's in the middle, I must have 40 degrees here. Again, congruent mark means I have the same 40 degrees. Alright, that's the homework that we're going to do together. This is due on Monday when I see you. If you don't send it to me with a picture through your email, you can bring it to me on Monday, but then you still have that worksheet that I want you to work on and try to understand how we can use the angles and the rule of 180 to solve those. Good luck. We'll see you in class.